I actually got this Sheriff ages ago, but because of my scheduling on my channel, it's been really hard to release this video. But welcome back guys to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the Wheel Action Drivers Sheriff from the, well, obviously the Wheel Action Drivers series. This series is a gimmick of cars where if you push their backs, they'll make like weird pushing out expressions. The reason why I have the Sheriff as well is because he's more accurate to his Precision Series mold, more accurate to the movie. We'll get into that in just a few seconds here. But yeah, we can see the 2-in-1 actions here. You can see his mouth and his wheels pop out. That ugly Daredevil Garage app logo there in the corner. We can see the Piston Cup Hudson Hornet McQueen and Mater in Cars 2. You can see a little, try me button there in the packaging. We got Sheriff, Mattel 3+ Wheel Actions. We got the Disney Pixar Cars logo here on the side, and on the back it is a lot different compared to the Doc Hudson that I reviewed a few days ago, where we got an image of Sheriff and it says bring characters to life with real popping action. I thought that said real then, as in like a reel from Instagram, but yeah. We've got the Cars logo, we've got the desert background, and you can see how it works, mouth moves, wheels pop. You can see some other cars that I actually do have as well. I also have a Mater, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on him yet, but each sold separately, subject to availability, colours, and you read that if you wish. Cars logo there on the other side, and how much do you want to believe this easy open? If you didn't watch my video on Doc, then I suggest you do, because it is not easy to open. So I guess I'll be right back with this guy all out of the packaging. So here is the Sheriff all out of the packaging, and if I just quickly bring out a regular 1/55 scale diecast, which you can find in store shelves, you can see there is some massive difference straight off the bat. Now I would say I would compare him to the Precision Series, but he is actually one of the last 3 Precision Series cars that I actually need, along with Luigi and Guido. So hopefully I manage to get him by the end of the year. If not, I'll try and get him next year. But yeah, so we all know what Sheriff looks like in the movie. He's this wider body mold. I don't know why, it's just difficult for Mattel to make him like this. There is the Precision Series version, and also there is the, I'm just trying to think of the line. It's the set of plastic cars. It's completely blank. Basics collection, that's it. It's called the Basics collection. There's also a Sheriff in that series. Obviously it doesn't have the popping out wheels, but, yeah, there is that one. If I find an image I would have found that on your screen. But yeah, but you can see here he does have the usual expression, well, the usual mouth expression. You can see the little plastic mouth, and obviously this is a plastic car. You can see Sheriff there, the lights on top. We know what Sheriff looks like. License plate 001 Sheriff. There is the other side, and of course here is the most important thing I guess in this video, is the base, because if you press the back wheel here, his opposite wheel will pop out just like so, and the same for this one. But if you pop them out both at the same time, his mouth does pop out, which is quite cool. I really do like this line, one of the coolest lines. I wish I got the whole collection back when I did, but silly me was like, I'm not getting these because they're not really cool, but they're really cool. So yeah, you can see the differences here now between a diecast Sheriff and then this one here. You see here how much wider and how much fatter and chubbier he is, which is what he should be compared to the Mattel diecast. Obviously it doesn't have Mercury on at the bottom here. Yeah, you can see I really do like the expression on Sheriff. We'll compare him to some other wheel actions now, which I've shown already. We've got red. If you push down the back, his wheels change, so really cool. If you want a screenshot, here is a perfect screenshot worthy moment. That is cool. We got Lightning McQueen, and also these two of his wheel actions just look really cool. Screenshot again if you wish to do so. And also we have Doc, which I reviewed the other day, or about a week ago now, 2 weeks. Feel free to screenshot if you want to screenshot both of these guys. And also Doc on his own there. We also have Snot Rod, which again is really, really cool. You can move his engine about. Again, you can do like a chase scene. Oh, that's so cool. Or like that, where it's just like trying to run away, and then let's do it like this. Oh, feel free to screenshot if you want to, guys. That is so cool. It's just wish I had backgrounds that I could show off. And I also got Sarge recently. If you didn't watch my September haul, we're in October now. Jeez, wow. Got Sergeant Sheriff, and then Ramon. Flo never got the treatment of this silent line. I still need the Danica, Lightning McQueen, I believe the Mac playset for this line, the King Chick Hicks, which are some of the rarest ones, Fillmore as well. I do have Mater, which if you did watch my September haul, I'm not too sure if I'm going to do a video on him, but if you like this video so much, I will record a video. But if this one doesn't do too well, then I'll probably won't upload it. But let me know in the comments below if you want to see a video on Mater as well. But yeah, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And until then, peace everybody.